Hi everyone, welcome to the part 3 video of VXLAN configuration with eBGP and ECMP. In the part 2 video I have configured VXLAN between leaf 1 and leaf 2 and now we are able to communicate between 31.1 and 31.2. So we'll verify that again. This is 31.2 PC and I'll be pinging to 31.1 and I'll be able to reach. So similarly I'll be accessing 41.2 and I'll try to ping to 41.1. I'll be able to reach, but if you try to ping to 31 series from 41, it won't be reachable since we don't have any gateway configured and we don't have any routing enabled. So in this video we'll be configuring that. In this setup the VLAN is distributed across multiple leaf switches, so we cannot keep single switch as gateway. So what would happen, all the traffic should come to one leaf and it should route, so that might add some delay. So I'll show how to configure it. So first I'll configure one switch as the gateway and show you the ARP learning of host, and then we'll configure multiple switches as the gateway. Okay. So I'll go to leaf 2 and I'll configure the gateway here. So first I'll configure the gateway for 31 series. I'll go to 31 and do a ping to gateway. I don't have any gateway configured here still. 254. This is going to be my gateway. As of now I don't have anything configured. Interface VLAN 31. Okay, so my command would be IP address virtual 31.254/24. I'll try pinging now. Yeah, I'm able to reach. And in leaf 2 itself I'll configure the gateway for VLAN 41. Yeah, the command is IP address virtual 41.254 and I'll try to ping from 41 series. Yeah, I'm able to reach. Now both gateways are on leaf 2 and we will see the ARP. The gateway is 0391, MAC address of the gateway. We will verify that. It is 0391 and I'll configure this gateway here. IP so gateway and even for 41 also I'll configure so that they will be able to communicate each other. Now I'll try to ping to 41.1 from 31. It is pinging, and actually what is happening, the traffic will go to from leaf 1, it will go to leaf 2 and then again, and even the gateway for 41.1 also is there. I will do the routing and come back to this, and as you can see the MAC address learned, the ARP entry was for this interface. Now we'll make even leaf 1 as a gateway using the command IP address virtual. Here I am using the direct VXLAN routing method in Arista. Interface VLAN 31, IP address virtual 31.254. Now I'll clear the ARP 31. I'll ping to 254 again. Now I'll see the ARP. You can see the ARP has changed to 7A8D. Now we'll check. Show interface VLAN 31. Yeah, now it has changed to this. And we'll check on 31.1.2 now. .1.254. Show ARP. Okay, it is 0391. 0391 is in leaf 2. So individual PCs will be using its own leaf switch as a gateway for inter VXLAN communication. And now I'll be configuring another VLAN, which is going to be the underlay VLAN, VLAN 51, which will be connected to leaf 3 as a normal VLAN access port, and we'll see how they communicate each other. Okay, so I'll go to leaf 3 now. I'll create a VLAN. VLAN 51. Ports would be E3 and 4. Interface E. Switch port mode access. Switch port access. VLAN 51. Interface VLAN 51. IP 51.1.1.254. Sorry. And as soon as I create it here in the leaf 3, since I am advertising in BGP as a connected route, it will come to leaf 1. I'll show the config. Show run section BGP. You can see I am advertising, even I am redistributing the connected route, so it should come here as well. C51 has already replicated here, so 51 dot I'll be able to reach. I'll configure on PC. IP .1/24 gateway will be 51.254. Okay, I'll try to reach the PC in VXLAN 31.1. Yeah, I'm able to reach. Okay, so now we have communication between underlay and overlay. This is one of the simplest scenario of VXLAN. You can do a lot of customization with that, like if you need a high availability in the leaf level, you can have a MLAC pair on each leaf, and you can have multiple links connected to spines, so that even if one leaf goes down, there won't be any impact. At that time you need to have either channel to each host machines from both MLAC pair switches. So this is one of the very simple configuration for VXLAN, so you guys can try it out in your lab. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.